So, on April 23rd, get out and vote.
No, don't vote. Don't vote.
Wait a second. You want me to say don't vote?
What am I supposed to say?
Don't vote. That doesn't make any sense. You want people to vote, right?
I don't get it, man.
Don't vote?
On April 23rd, get out and don't vote.
Because
It's part of a big picture.
Anchik said don't vote.
On April 23rd. Now make sure you go out and vote.
Cut! No. It's April 23rd. Don't vote.
Don't vote.
Don't vote.
What do you mean don't vote?
It's like the last one. They did it and it was great. The elections ended up successfully. It's kind of like a concept.
Do not vote.
Peter, please, little more sarcastic.
But what if they don't understand it's sarcasm?
Oh, sarcastic.
Sarcastic?
Okay.
You can do sarcasm?
I can do anything. I wasn't a rock band.
I can do sarcastic.
Don't vote.
don't vote.
Don't vote.
Yerjan, trust me.
Don't vote.
Don't vote.
Like that? Don't vote.
Like that? I don't get it.
Doesn't make any sense.
Please don't vote.
One vote doesn't count.
One vote doesn't count.
One vote. What does it gonna do? I don't matter.
It's just one vote.
You're one tiny little itty bitty person in this entire university.
And you are just this one. You know what? I can do it. It's not true. I don't believe it. Tina Sheikh Islam decided the last year election, and you want me to say that one vote doesn't count?
Only one?
That's it?
We can change the history and it will work.
Work for whom? Doesn't work for me.
I'm gonna have to go with Yerjan.
Is that time for me to watch a football?
I respect you, Galan. You get many movies and awards, but this is ridiculous.
I think we just need to be kinda little more direct.
Say what's in your heart.
Now that makes sense. I'm voting because when I was growing up, my father told me, if you don't vote, then you have to shut up.
I vote because I felt in love, and I want to matter.
I'm voting because it doesn't take a lot of time.
I vote because for the first time a girl can become the president of Nazarbayev University.
If you are not voting for yourself, vote for people like me.
Vote for the future of freshmen.
I'm voting because I'm waiting for my stipend.
I'm voting for healthcare and education.
I'm voting because it's my first time.
I vote because I want a voice.
I'm voting because I have the right to vote.
I'm voting for a better university.
Please do vote. It'll make a difference.
And every vote counts. That's why I vote.
If you don't know where to vote, you can ask me or go to this website.
Across, below, this.
Double check and look at this website and make sure you know where you're gonna vote.
Whoa, I will wait.
I will wait too.
I ain't going nowhere.
This is a boring. Send it to 5 friends.
Send it to 5 animals.
Send it to 5 more.
5 more friends.
Send it to 5 animals.
Send it to 5 friends.
I have 7 friends.
One day out of the year.
Don't let anyone to get in your way.
Don't let anything stop you from voting.
April 23rd.
No matter how bad the weather is,
Get inside, gather your friends.
Get out there. Come on.
vote.
Vote! Vote!
Vote! Vote! Vote!
Vote. Vote.
Vote!
Vote.
Vote!
Vote.
Vote!
Vote.
Vote.
Like so.
Vote!
Vote.
Vote!
Vote. Don't vote.
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 Vote. Vote. It's so simple.
You have to come because I will be there.
Send it to 5 more.